In this video, I will be guiding you how to change your IP address on Windows. So let's just begin. So whether you are using Mac, Windows or any other device, the process is going to be same. You can see first you can head over to your NordVPN and simply open up the account and click on start, then head over to your settings option. So by the way, you can get 70% off on NordVPN using the link in the description, so do not forget to check that out. Then you need to simply click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi depending on your connection. You can see then you have your manager networks, and then you need to click on edit. So this is the important part from where we can change our IP. You can select the option to manual and toggle the IP4 option here, as you can see, and then you need to input your own IP address. So that's how easy it is to change. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and the process is almost the same for other devices as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.